Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the February Sew Sampler Box. If you're new to Sew Sampler Boxes, they're monthly sewing and quilting subscription boxes. They retail for $24.95 a month plus shipping. They're full of all kinds of goodies, notions, fabric, patterns, and more. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what's inside this month's box. The theme for this month's box is Home Sweet Nest, and again, this is the February 2022 box. I know it's a little bit late. They're a little bit behind on shipping, and I just got my box, so hopefully you guys have your boxes as well. They are starting to catch up, but I know they had supply issues just due to everything that's been going on, so hopefully you're being patient with the boxes and these unboxings. On the back side, there is a 20% off coupon for Elizabeth Hartman fabrics, and look at that line of fabrics. Isn't that so cute and summery? Now, of course, we have our insert in our box as well. It's going to tell us everything in our box, information about each product, retail value, and how to use it. And then, of course, in the box, we have our block number 11 for our Bright Side Sew Along. This is done by Sherry McConnell, and this is a really cute block. Block number 11. The pattern's inside the box. It's in postcard format, which has the pattern on it, so I can't show you that, but I do show you on these. And I am saving them all so that I can do a giveaway for all of those patterns once the box is completely released. So we're going to start off with this first little notion. It's called Just Better Machine Cleaning Brushes by Bucklebee Bags. And they came in this little pouch, and here's what they look like. So they look like mascara wands, which I think is interesting. They retail for $2.50, and it says Sewing Notion maintenance just got a little bit better with these Just Better Machine Cleaning Brushes. Ultra flexible heads with silicone bristles makes sure you can reach every nook and cranny and pick up lint and dust without losing any bristles. Who knows, a cleaner machine might just give you a better outlook on your sewing life too. Let's just give one of these a try. I'm sure I have some dirt over here. Just stick that in there and weave it around and see what we come out with. Okay, there you go. Definitely works, and it actually was really easy to get into my machine, so I think I'm a fan of these. I'm usually a fan of any, oh, okay, that's not good. Any sewing utensils. Can I get the fuzzies off though? That's the question. Making a mess on the floor. Okay, they kind of just come off. My head did come off, so you know, there's that. But so for $2.50 though, I kind of think I'm a fan. The next thing are these clip and bind clips. These look pretty much like Wonder Clips. Looks like they're put out by Fat Quarter Shop, and it says effortlessly clip together layers of fabric and batting for piecing and binding. Each pack includes 18 colorful clips, which will add some color and function to your quilting toolkit. They value at $8.98. Next thing in our box is 100% pure thread enhancing beeswax by Steady Betty. This retails for $7, and it says, let your thread be happy with beeswax by Steady Betty. Beeswax has so many helpful properties in keeping sewing thread smooth, tamed. Oh, and keeping sewing thread smooth and tamed is just one. Here's what it looks like. Little disc of beeswax. Yeah, smells like beeswax. Like those candles that you make when you're like little and you do your own dip your candles. It smells good. It's 100% pure beeswax, and it says it will reduce fraying and help you thread easier, so try it out and see what the buzz is all about. And I don't usually use like a thread conditioner, but I feel like this would be great for cross stitch and probably even English paper piecing, so I'll have to try it out. And I think you just put your thread on there, hold it down, and then just run it through, and it just kind of gives it a little bit of a coat to keep it from fraying, and I think it also helps keep it from tangling too. So, but let me know if you've used this in the comments below and if you like it, because I've actually never tried it. I've had a few of these, and I don't know, I think I'm too lazy to get it out and try it, but I've heard good things, so let me know. The pattern for today's box is called the Swallows Quilt Pattern. It's Fat Quarter Shop exclusively for the Sew Sampler box, and it retails for $9.98, and it says your quilty dreams will take flight with the exclusive Swallows Quilt Pattern. Brightly pieced birds flit happily through this design, which works perfectly with the kitchen window wovens bundle in this month's box. February will fly by with this modern quilt to sew, and February definitely flew by because it's April. But anyways, this is really cute. I love it. I love the little plaids, and I think you guys are going to really love the fabric in this month's box. This one finishes at 49 by 66, so it's a decent size. Maybe like a little throw. You could even hang it on your wall, honestly. And then the piecing, let's take a quick look. There are some small pieces on here. I don't think anything is going to be too hard, even if you're a beginner. I think you could probably do it. One of the things I love about Fat Quarter Shop quilt patterns is that they're usually geared towards beginners, and there's usually nothing too difficult in there. And their instructions in most of the patterns they put out are really good. They have graphic illustrations to help you get through them. So this one is really cute, and let's take a look at that fabric bundle. So this is for sure my favorite item from this month's box. This is the Kitchen Window Wovens Fat Eighth Bundle by Elizabeth Hartman for Robert Kaufman Fabrics. It retails for $18.98, and it says, peer through our kitchen window for a better look at these bright woven prints by Elizabeth Hartman. Her new line Kitchen Window Wovens for Robert Kaufman Fabrics are a bold refresh on classic plaids for today's modern quilter. There are 12 fat eighth pieces in this bundle. They're colorful, and it says it will make sure to make you mad for plaid. So look at those plaids. And by the way, they are absolutely beautiful. And I love the colors. They're so springy and summery and fun. And I sort of hesitate to take it apart. These are not ribbon. They're paper. So if I take it apart, I'm going to ruin my bundle. And I don't want to. But will I? Will I do it for you guys? So taking apart the fabric. Always the hardest part. Okay. Someone actually recently asked me that. They were like, how do you cut apart those beautiful bundles? And that's the hardest part, honestly, is just opening it up, and once you sew with it, you're always thankful though. So let's go ahead and take a look. I just cut this first bit so I can kind of keep my bundle together, but beautiful aquas and yellows. This yellow print is adorable. Of course, pink, one of my faves. Ooh, this one is awesome. I love pink and orange and yellow together like that. Super summery. Aqua and kind of a chartreusey green. Another yellow. A pinkish red. It's not, yeah, it's orange. Huh, my camera is screwing me up. This one is an orangey, another pink, gray and blue. Oh, this one is fun. 70s vibes. Also adorable. And then lastly, we have that blue. So these are so much fun. I love this fabric. I've been eyeballing this, so I'm actually really happy that this came in this month's box. And plus, I think it's a little bit of a change up for the Sew Sampler boxes. I haven't ever seen anything like this in their boxes, and this is absolutely adorable bundle. I am so happy I got this, so this is definitely a fave. Okay, so that's everything that came in the February 2022 box. I did add it up for you. The total is $52.42, so a pretty good value, $24.95 for the box. I will make sure to put a link on where you can get those boxes below. I think they just reopened. They might still have a wait list, but I thought I just saw that their box wait list was gone and they were reopened for subscription. So if you're interested, head over and grab one. If you don't like it, you can always cancel it at any time, but at least you won't be put back on the wait list because they do sell out pretty quickly. So that's it for the February 2022 box. Make sure to leave me a comment below letting me know what your favorite notion was. Mine is definitely that fabric bundle because it is so cute. So that's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to thumbs up and subscribe. You can also hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any upcoming fun. Thanks for hanging out with me today, and I will see you next time. 100% pure thread enhancing beeswax coming your way. Why didn't I take this out of the box? So in February sure did fly by because it is April 1st. All right. So taking apart the fabric, always the hardest part. The total is $52.42. So am I looking at myself in there? That's interesting.